blurry shapes suddenly springing to life. For 9 months, the baby has been cocooned in the warmth and darkness of the womb, shielded from the harsh realities of the outside world. The transition from this serene environment to the bustling, bright and noisy world outside is nothing short of miraculous. This is the experience of a newborn baby entering the world. The delivery room, filled with the hustle and bustle of medical staff, the beeping of machines and the soft murmurs of voices become the stage for the baby's grand entrance. The baby, once floating in amniotic fluid, now feels the pull of gravity for the first time. The transition from the warm, secure womb to the outside world can be overwhelming. The baby is suddenly exposed to a myriad of new sensations, the cool air on their skin, the bright lights overhead, and the myriad of sounds that fill the room. Each of these stimuli is a new experience, a new challenge for the baby's developing brain to process. However, nature has equipped babies with an incredible ability to connect with their mothers from the very first moments. This connection is not just emotional, but deeply biological. The mother's heartbeat, which the baby has heard for months, now becomes a source of comfort and familiarity in this strange new world. This initial bond is not just heartwarming, it's a biological imperative that lays the foundation for a lifetime of emotional and social development. The first moments of skin-to-skin contact, the gentle cooing of the mother, and the baby's instinctive rooting for the breast are all part of this intricate dance of bonding. As the baby takes its first breath, its senses are bombarded with new stimuli. The act of breathing itself is a monumental task as the baby's lungs fill with air for the first time. This is accompanied by the baby's first cries, a sound that signals the beginning of their journey in the outside world. The bright lights, the unfamiliar sounds, and the cool air all contribute to this sensory overload. Each of these elements is a stark contrast to the muted, gentle environment of the womb. The baby's eyes, still adjusting to the light, blink rapidly as they try to make sense of the new world around them. Amidst this chaos, the mother's presence becomes a beacon of comfort and security. Her touch, her voice, and her scent are all familiar to the baby, providing a sense of continuity and safety. The baby, feeling the warmth of the mother's skin and hearing her soothing voice, begins to calm down. Her familiar voice, her scent, and her touch provide the baby with a sense of familiarity and safety, anchoring them to this new and unknown world. This connection is not just comforting but essential for the baby's emotional and physical well-being. The mother's voice, which the baby has heard in utero, now becomes a source of reassurance. This primal connection between mother and child is deeply rooted in our biology. The baby's instinct to seek out the mother, to latch onto the breast, and to respond to her voice are all part of this intricate biological dance. This connection is crucial for the baby's survival and development. It's a dance of hormones and instincts finely tuned over millennia to ensure the survival and well-being of the newborn. The release of oxytocin, often called the love hormone, during breastfeeding and skin-to-skin contact strengthens this bond, creating a foundation of trust and security. Understanding the science behind this bond can help us appreciate the profound impact of these early interactions on a baby's developing brain and emotional landscape. These first moments, filled with love, warmth, and connection, set the stage for a lifetime of growth, learning, and emotional resilience. The journey of life begins with this beautiful, intricate dance between mother and child, a dance that will continue to evolve and strengthen with each passing day. From the moment a baby is born, their ears, though still developing, are acutely tuned to the sounds of their environment. These tiny, delicate organs are already working hard, picking up the myriad of noises that surround them. The rustling of leaves, the hum of household appliances, and the distant murmur of voices all become part of the baby's new auditory landscape. Yet, amidst this symphony of sounds, there is one that stands out, one that the baby is particularly attuned to. Amongst the cacophony of the outside world, one sound stands out above all others: the mother's voice. This voice, which the baby has heard muffled through the womb for months, now comes through clear and strong. It is a beacon of familiarity in an otherwise strange and overwhelming world. The baby's reaction to this voice is almost magical. Their eyes light up and a sense of calm washes over them. This sound, so familiar from the womb, acts as a soothing balm, calming the baby's nervous system and fostering a sense of security. The rhythmic cadence of the mother's speech, the gentle rise and fall of her tone, all work together to create a cocoon of comfort. This auditory embrace is crucial for the baby's early development, helping to regulate their emotions and providing a foundation for future learning and growth. The mother's voice is more than just a collection of words. It's a complex symphony of tones, rhythms, and inflections that the baby has been absorbing for months in the utero environment. Each nuance, each subtle change in pitch and tempo carries with it a wealth of information. This prenatal exposure to the mother's voice helps to shape the baby's auditory preferences and lays the groundwork for language acquisition. Studies have shown that babies can recognize their mother's voice within hours of birth, demonstrating the profound impact of this prenatal auditory experience. This recognition is not just a simple reflex, it is a testament to the deep bond that has already begun to form between mother and child. The baby's ability to distinguish their mother's voice from others is a crucial step in their social and emotional development. This early recognition of the mother's voice is not merely a matter of auditory processing. It's deeply intertwined with the baby's emotional development. The sound of the mother's voice triggers a cascade of emotional responses, from feelings of safety and comfort to joy and excitement. This emotional resonance is a key component of the bonding process, helping to strengthen the connection between mother and child. The mother's voice carries with it a wealth of emotional information, conveying love, comfort, and reassurance. Each word, each gentle murmur is imbued with a sense of care and affection. This vocal communication is a powerful tool for nurturing the baby's emotional well-being, helping to build a secure attachment that will serve as a foundation for their future relationships. This auditory connection forms the bedrock of the baby's emotional world, shaping their sense of security and attachment. The mother's voice is a constant presence, a source of comfort and stability in the baby's life. As the baby grows and develops, this early auditory bond will continue to play a crucial role, influencing their emotional health and well-being for years to come. The maternal melody, with its unique blend of sounds and emotions, is truly a cornerstone of the baby's early experiences and development. While sound plays a crucial role in a baby's early bonding experience, the sense of smell is equally important. From the moment they are born, babies are equipped with an acute sense of smell that helps them navigate their new world. This sense is not just about identifying food or danger, it's about forming the first and most crucial bond of their lives. Within days of birth, babies can identify their mothers based solely on scent. This ability is astonishing, considering the myriad of new experiences and stimuli they are exposed to. The mother's unique aroma becomes a beacon of familiarity and comfort in an otherwise overwhelming environment. This olfactory recognition is not limited to humans. It's a phenomenon observed across the animal kingdom, highlighting its evolutionary significance in survival and bonding. From puppies to ducklings, the ability to recognize their mother's scent ensures they stay close to their source of nourishment and protection. A mother's scent is a complex cocktail of pheromones and other olfactory cues that are unique to her. These chemical signals are so distinct that they can be thought of as a personal signature, one that the baby learns to recognize and respond to almost instinctively. These scents, particularly those associated with breast milk, have a powerful effect on the baby's brain, triggering a cascade of physiological and emotional responses. The smell of breast milk is not just about feeding, it's about comfort, warmth, and the assurance that their needs will be met. This early olfactory imprinting is not merely a matter of recognizing a familiar smell. It's about forging a deep subconscious connection with the primary caregiver. This connection lays the foundation for the baby's emotional and social development, influencing their sense of security and attachment. The mother's scent becomes synonymous with safety, nourishment, and comfort, creating a powerful olfactory anchor that helps the baby navigate the world with a sense of security. As the baby grows, this scent continues to play a role in their emotional well-being, serving as a reminder of the bond they share with their mother. This unique aroma, therefore, is not just a smell, it's a lifeline, a source of reassurance, and a key component in the intricate dance of early human development. Touch is arguably the most important sense in early infancy, playing a vital role in regulating a baby's physiological and emotional states. Skin-to-skin contact, in particular, has been shown to have profound effects on both mother and baby, fostering a deep sense of connection and well-being. Immediately after birth, placing the baby on the mother's bare chest allows for this crucial skin-to-skin contact. The baby's skin, sensitive to touch and temperature, finds solace in the warmth and familiarity of the mother's body. This close physical contact releases oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone in both mother and baby. Oxytocin plays a crucial role in facilitating bonding and attachment. In mothers, it promotes feelings of love, protectiveness, and a desire to nurture. In babies, oxytocin helps regulate their heart rate, temperature, and stress levels, creating a sense of calm and security.